Hi guys, my name is Ola Voice. So I decided to visit Oya at Ile-Ira. Yes, so come with me. Tí Yorùbá bá sọ wípé bẹ̀m̀bẹ́ lóru Ọya. This is a statue representing a man playing bẹ̀m̀bẹ́. As a screenwriter, an actor, and also a director, adventure is one of my favorite things to do because I believe it adds to my wealth of knowledge about things I know before and things I do not know at all. So here at Oya, we have the statue of Egun Ologbojo. Tí Yorùbá bá sọ pé Ologbojo bàbá Egungun. This is a statue representing Egun Ologbojo. You can see the goats and the cockerel by the Ologbojo. So guys, something got my attention while I was looking at Egun Ologbojo, and that is Peregun. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, Yorùbá ní ọdún òní dún kí Peregun mọ́ máa wọ̀ tuntun bọ̀ wálé ayé. Peregun is a highly iconic and sacred plant in the Yoruba tradition. Usually, you see it at land borders. Peregun is used to demarcate land borders. Also, wherever you see Igi Peregun, it is also possible that place is a shrine or a holy ground, or used to be a shrine. Yes, those are the places that you're likely to see Peregun being planted. That is different from different herbal usages of Peregun. Like I said, this is a shrine of Oya to my right. So this statue here is representing Yeye herself, Oya Oriri.